Aloha everybody. Okay, this is one of the reasons why I hate AOL, EIM, or whatever they call it. I don't know all these companies are related because I sign in using Hotmail. So AOL, Hotmail, and EIM are all related. Whatever. So now I'm gonna go EIM. One of the reasons on why I'm signing in right now, one of the reasons why I hate EIM is that automatically it will open up this page, which is AOL. I don't want it to open. Just give me a second here. There you are. So it opens this page automatically. First of all, I don't ask you to open, so don't open. Alright, so this is very very irritating. And then the second thing that is irritating is that it opens by itself when I switch on the computer. So these are the few things that which I hate. So let me just try to help you on fixing it. What you need to do is go to control panels, just click on the start button at the bottom left of your computer screen if you're using Windows, then go to settings and go to control panel. I'm using Vista, so it might be different on your end, so just go to control panels and you'll see this. Okay, so what you need to do is actually go to Windows Defender, which is here under your control panels, and this one will open. And you can see that this will have tools, so you just click the tools and you just need to click on Software Explorer. And as soon as you click on Software Explorer, you can actually look at all the startup programs, all the irritating programs that automatically open without your permission at the start of your computer. So some things you're happy with opening automatically, like all this stuff, except for AIM. Where the hell is AIM? There you are. AIM is also known as AOL, Instant Messenger. So what you can do here is actually click on disable first, then you say yes, disable it, irritating. And then what you need to do is, if it's still there, just click on it and then just remove it. This will basically end your troubles, so it will never open automatically again. So I think hopefully that is all that you need to know. Okay, at the same time, you do need to search from your softwares, list of programs and softwares, which is here, program and features, like I show you, and you need to find one software or one file which says this, which says download updater and then bracket AOL LLC. You can uninstall this. This is just basically will add to your irritants, so delete it. Okay, you can delete it via here, but I delete it via here because I have this software. Thank you so much.